I used to hate clicky switches until I tried these ChoseFox Arctic Fox clicky switches from Kinetic Labs because they might be the best clicky switches that I've ever tried. If you like blue switches, you need to try these Arctic Fox switches because they're literally better in every single way. But what makes them good? The Arctic Fox switches come in packs of 18 switches for $10.44 and feature a PC top and bottom housing with the palm stem. But what makes this switch a fun switch to type on is their use of a click bar to produce the clicky sound, which is different from the standard switch leaf method. The switch also comes pre-lubed and have a light actuation at 52 grams and a bottom out of 53 grams. Overall, the Arctic Fox switches felt better than my all-time favorite clicky switch, the Box Jades, in terms of click, bump, and stem wobble. I'll leave links in my bio if you're interested.